Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you locate your YouTube app. So right here, I have my YouTube app right here. Click on OK. Then on getting to your YouTube app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to settings right here. Click on settings. Now on getting to settings right here, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and then make sure you locate your voice and audio saving. Go ahead and click on here, voice and audio savings. Here, voice and audio saving. Save voice and audio activity to help improve voice search. Manage your YouTube history at activity.google.com. So what you need to do right here is to make sure you turn off this particular button right here so that YouTube will not have access to your voice search and your voice in your Google search history on your YouTube app on your smart TV. So go ahead and select turn off. Click on here and this is going to pop up. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Make sure you click on stop saving. So once you click on stop saving, with that, your voice and audio activities saving is turned off. And with that, your search history in Google activity have been fully protected without any tracing. So YouTube will not be up. So YouTube or Google will not be able to listen to your voice and audio saving on your smart TV on YouTube app. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.